what is this product? And I'm gonna give this advent calendar. Okay guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Asos Beauty Advent Calendar. This one here is the 12-day advent calendar. We have 12 products and the price of it is 39 euros. This is how it comes and you can see my lights. In this box we have products for the face and the body. We have an opening here. Let's see how it looks. Terrible. For a little bit of ASMR. And ooh, the packaging is super pretty. It is like a drawer. I love that. We can reuse the box. Very nice idea. And you can see in my makeup organization video how I'm reusing my advent calendars, also beauty boxes that I keep. I'm going to link it in the description box below. At the end of this video I will try to find the prices for all of the products so we can estimate the overall value of it. This year they have 2 advent calendars. This one, the 12th day, and also the 24th day that I'm going to unbox next week. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a makeup tutorial using the products of this box, and also subscribe if you want to see more advent calendar videos. Last year we had a very nice advent calendar by Asos and I'm very curious about this one. So let's see what we have in box number 1 that doesn't want to come out. It's very fully packed. Skincare. This one here is the Natural Moisturizing Factors and HA Surface Hydration Formula by the brand The Ordinary. And it says hydrators and oils that I have no idea what it means. This product contains amino acids, dermal lipids and hyaluronic acid. I have never tried it, so let's see how it actually looks. Ooh, that looks like a full size. We don't say no to full size products. I don't have a lot of skincare products by this brand, so I like that we got this one. We have 30 milliliters and this one here is made in Canada. Next we have box number 2, which is very lightweight. This is by the brand Spectrum and we have here the Wonder Sponge. This one here is cruelty free and vegan. I have never tried it and I'm very curious to see if it is very soft or bouncy. The color is so pretty. I think it has the right amount of softness. With this one you can create makeup magic. This one here is latex free. You can use the tip here for your concealer and the rest of it for cream products and foundation, and it is super cute. Box number 3 has this beautiful design. The boxes remind a lot of last year's advent calendar. They were very pretty as well. It is very lightweight and we have here a product by Sand and Sky. This is the Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. With this one you can detoxify and brighten your skin. We have 13 grams of product. We can use it a couple of times. It is not a full size. This one contains vitamin A and it is not tested on animals. Let's continue with box number 4. This is lightweight as well. And we have here a product by the brand Glam Glow. This is so pretty. Do we have this? And this is the Glow Lace Radiance Boosting Hydration Sheet Mask. With this one you can hydrate, energize and also give radiance to your skin, and this one can plump the fine dry lines, so this is a product exactly for me. We have here a full size product but also we're going to use it just once. Box number 5 here, and I think we have again a sheet mask. What is this? I was right. This one is the Vital Hydra Solution. It is a deep hydration sheet mask by the brand Dr. Jart Plus. I think they also have something like a plastic sheet mask. This one can protect the moisture barrier and helps dry skin, again for me. We have again a single-use mask. We have opened the first layer. Let's go to the second. And this box here, number 6. I'm guessing that we have a lipstick. And this is not a lipstick. This one here is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. And with this one you can fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. This is by the brand This Works. And we had this product again in last year's advent calendar. I don't like products like this one. If it's not easy for you to sleep, it is better to consult your doctor. Also, this one doesn't smell so nice. So I don't know how you can use it and sleep. Box number 7 is a little bit heavier and bigger. Maybe this is something for the body. And I think it's not. This one is the Glycolic Scrub Fix. It is a triple action facial polish. It is by the brand Nip and Fab Exfoliate, and we have a face scrub. It says it is a micro exfoliant with glycolic and salicylic acids to refine, brighten and renew. And we have here 75 milliliters, so it looks like a full size. What do you think? Yeah, I think it is a full size. It has like a minty scent. Let me know if you have tried any other products by this brand. And box number 8. I think we have skincare again. What is this? This is by the brand Popo, and it is the Outrageous Orange Balm. It is a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural Popo. What is the Popo? You can use this for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing. It is fragrance free, also cruelty free and vegan. Oh, so this is a lip and cheek product, and the product is sealed. Ooh, I think I applied a lot. Yes, definitely. You just need a small amount. Ooh, this is very creamy. For the cheeks, definitely use just a little bit, and also use your sponge to apply it on your face, because I think with the finger it's gonna be even more intense. It says scented, and I believed them. Don't use a lot. This is too much. That's a very interesting product. I'm happy that we got it. Moving on to box number 9. I'm guessing this is a lipstick, but I don't think so. This is by Makeup Revolution, and we have the Mascara Revolution. The packaging is super pretty. We have a full size, and let's see the applicator. Ooh, that's a big fat spoolie. I thought this was a concealer, to be honest. Here we have box number 10. And we have a product by the brand Florence by Mills. And this is one of the actresses in the TV show Stranger Things. And by the way, when are we gonna have new episodes? What is going on? And this one here is the Tend and Tame Brow Gel. And this is in clear transparent. Fantastic. We can use it on everyone. Oops. That's not how you open it. Let's do it again. Let's see now. Ooh, this is a very small spoolie, and I'm very curious if this brow gel can actually tame my brow hair. I was not expecting a product by this brand, and the packaging is super pretty and elegant. After that, we have the biggest box of them all, and also the lightest. Ooh, lashes! The style that we have is the double wispies. These are fuller. These are not the regular wispies by Ardell. It looks like we have 2 layers of falsies. Free duo adhesive here, which is very good. I have been using it for many years. Let's continue with box number 12. Ooh. And we have here something by NARS. We have the Laguna Blush. And I think this is a full size. Laguna Blush. This is the bronzer. And I have tried this again. This is a very blendable product, and you can also build up the intensity. This one has a very light sheen. It is a beginner-friendly bronzer. And this is the beautiful box that you can keep all of your makeup in. I'm very happy about this. I'm back. Laguna is not gonna work for deeper complexions. We also have 2 single-use products and 1 sample. And for those reasons, I'm taking away half a star. I like the design and the range of products, and I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4.5 stars. The overall value is 134 euros, which is a lot more than what I have paid. Let me know in the comments if you like this box, and you can find here more advent calendar videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!